नमो नमः। कक्षा नवमी, विषयः संस्कृतम्। संस्कृतव्याकरणम्। व्यञ्जनसन्धिः, consonant joining. Dear students, we have already discussed the first two kinds of Vyanjana Sandhi. Today, the third kind of Vyanjana Sandhi will be the matter of our discussion. The third kind of Vyanjana Sandhi is this one, Jastva Sandhi. वर्गीय प्रथमाक्षराणां तृतीयक वर्णे परिवर्तनम। वर्गीय प्रथम अक्षराणां तृतीयाक्षरे अर्थात तृतीय वर्णे परिवर्तनम। फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ any वर्ग, any class of Sanskrit alphabet gets turned into the third letter of that particular वर्ग। यदि पूर्व पद के अंत में किसी वर्ग का प्रथम अक्षर हो और उसके बाद कोई भी स्वर या किसी वर्ग का तीसरा, चौथा, पांचवा या य, र, ल, व तथा ह इनमें से कोई भी वर्ण हो तो प्रथम अक्षर उसी वर्ग के अर्थात अपने ही वर्ग के तृतीय अक्षर में परिवर्तित हो जाता है। If at the end of the first word there is any first letter of any varga, any of the five vargas of Sanskrit alphabet, ka, cha, ta, ta and pa. First letter of any varga, that means ka of ka varga, cha of cha varga, ta of ta varga, ta of ta varga and pa of pa varga. And then just after this letter, that means at the beginning of the next word, if there is any vowel or third, fourth or fifth letter of any varga or any of these letters ya, ra, la, va and ha, then the first letter, that means the first letter of the joining, or you can understand by the first letter of any varga lies at the end of the first word that gets turned into the third letter of that particular varga, that particular class. As per example, cha gets turned into ja, ka gets turned into ga, and if there is pa, that will get turned into va, ta will be turned into da, like this. These are the examples. आज, अंत, अजंत, जगत, ईशः, जगदीशः, अप, जः, अब्जः. Now we shall solve these examples. How the first letters of the vargas like cha, ta and pa, they get changed into ja, da and ba. Let us solve the examples. The first example was ach, antah. Ach, then antah. Cha is there at the end of the first word. This one is the first letter of the joining, because joining occurs between the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the next word. So between these two letters, cha is the first letter. That is also the first letter of a varga, that is cha varga. And according to the rule, there is a vowel just after cha, and the rule was if any vowel or third, fourth or fifth letter of any varga, any class, or ya, ra, la, va, ha, any of these letters comes ahead, then this kind of sandhi takes place. Let us write the examples once again. Ach, antah. Now the sandhi will take place with the letter cha, because this is the first letter between the two letters due to which the sandhi occurs. and this is the first letter of a varga, cha varga, and according to the rule there is a vowel just ahead cha, and then cha is to be turned into ja. Now let us join all the letters together. A will be there, and then when A will join a halant varna, then halant gets abolished and A has no matra, and thus the word will be written like this: A, ja in the place of cha, and the halant will disappear due to A, and A will be mingled with ja. There is no matra belonging to A, and then the letters na, ta, and visarga, and the word that will be ajantah. Now second example, आप अर्थात जलम, then जाह, आपः जायते इति अब्जः, अर्थात जल से जन्म लेता है, अतः जलजः, अब्जः, these are the names of the flower lotus. And let us discuss joining. Pa is there, and according to the rule ja is the third letter of cha varga, and this is why pa is to be changed into ba, and this is how the sandhi will be like this: abjah. And then the third example, jagat, ishah, due to e because that is a vowel, ta is to be changed into da, and the matra of e will be written with this letter and then the next letter, and sandhi will be jagadishah. So this was the example of a jastva sandhi. Jastva means jash twa. Jas is a pratyahara, third letters of all the vargas come in this category. third letters of all the vargas are called jas varna, and this is why this category of joining is called jastva sandhi. And this much was the today's discussion. Thank you.